2026 Honda Prelude. Details. The 2026 Honda Prelude is a sporty, two-door hybrid coupe that marks the return of the Prelude name after more than 20 years. It combines performance, fuel efficiency, and modern technology. Engine and performance. Engine: 2.0L Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder. Hybrid system: Honda 2-motor hybrid. Total power: 200 horsepower. Electric motor torque: 232 pound-foot. Drivetrain: front-wheel drive, FWD. Transmission: direct drive hybrid with Honda S Plus shift simulated gear changes. Drive modes: comfort, GT, sport, individual. Fuel economy: 46 miles per gallon city, 41 miles per gallon highway, 44 miles per gallon combined. Fuel tank: 10.6 gallons. Fuel type: regular unleaded. Exterior features: sleek two-door coupe design, LED headlights and LED taillights, 19-inch Berliner black alloy wheels, adaptive damper suspension, Brembo 4-piston front brakes, aerodynamic body styling. Technology: Honda S Plus shift driving system, Google built-in infotainment, Bose premium 8-speaker audio system, Honda sensing safety suite, digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Price: US. Hybrid, starting around $42,000. Hybrid two-tone, starting around $42,500. If you'd like, I can also provide the with seats, dashboard, infotainment, cargo space, steering wheel, and cabin features. 2026 Honda Prelude interior details. 2026 Honda Prelude, more details. Dimensions: length 178.4 in, 4,531 millimeters. Width 74.0 in, 1,880 millimeters. Height 53.4 in, 1,356 millimeters. Wheelbase 102.6 in, 2,606 millimeters. Cargo capacity 15.1 cubic feet, 428 L. Suspension and handling: dual-axis McPherson strut front suspension, multi-link rear suspension, adaptive damper system, variable ratio electric power steering, agile handling assist for improved cornering, 38.0-foot turning circle, brakes and wheels, Brembo 4-piston aluminum front brake calipers, ventilated front disc brakes, solid rear disc brakes, 19-inch Berliner black alloy wheels. 2026 Honda Prelude interior details. Cabin design: premium, driver-focused cockpit, 2+2 seating layout, 4 passengers. Available black leather or blue-white leather interior. Soft-touch dashboard and door panels. D-shaped leather-wrapped steering wheel. Blue interior accents and premium stitching. Seats: sporty, body-supporting driver's seat for better cornering. Comfortable front passenger seat with Prelude embossed logo. Heated front seats. Foldable rear seats to increase cargo space. Rear seats best suited for children or short trips. Dashboard and displays: 10.2-inch fully digital instrument cluster. Customizable display layouts. 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Google built-in, Google Maps, Assistant, Play Store. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Technology: Bose premium 8-speaker audio system. Wireless phone charger. USB-C charging ports. Bluetooth connectivity. Voice controls. Over-the-air software updates. Comfort and convenience: dual-zone automatic climate control. Ambient interior lighting. Push-button start. Keyless entry. Multiple storage compartments. Large center console with cup holders. Cargo space. Practical hatchback design. Fold-flat rear seats. Wide cargo opening. Space for luggage, sports gear, or shopping bags. Interior quality: premium leather upholstery. High-quality soft-touch materials. Sporty yet luxurious finish. Excellent fit and finish with minimal cabin. Noise. 2026 Honda Prelude. More interior details. Steering wheel: leather-wrapped, flat-bottom sport steering wheel. Multifunction controls for audio, phone, voice assistant, and cruise control. Paddle controls for the Honda S Plus shift driving experience. tilt and telescopic adjustment, center console, electronic gear selector, drive mode selector, comfort, GT, sport, individual, wireless smartphone charging pad, 2 cup holders, large storage compartment under the center armrest, USB-C charging ports, instrument cluster, 10.2-inch fully digital display, speedometer and power energy meter, navigation guidance, hybrid battery and energy flow display, driver assistance status, tire pressure monitoring information,